Welcome to Driveway DIY, where we bring the shop to you. So today we're going to replace this O2 sensor on our vehicle. There is a large hex here. Follow this wire up and there will be a plug. So we've got this tool here. This is a panel popper tool. You can use a lever style as well. These are a little bit easier. Just slide it up in and there. And then we just squeeze this and that'll separate it. So then we can pull the plug down. This pin needs to come out. And then this will lift up a little bit and disconnect it. All right, so we get our wrench on here. These are usually really difficult to remove because they get seized up. Here we go. And we take the new O2 sensor and just thread it into the original position. You do want this nice and snug. Next, we're gonna take our plugs. We're just gonna plug it together. Don't forget your locking pin. We take our clip and put it into the original panel. There we go, just like that. And that's all there is to replacing an oxygen sensor. Find all the parts you need to get the job done at ebaymotors.com.